Yo, tell me why Adobe videos take forever to process. Anyways, okay, getting back to this. We have the surface area of the two circles at the top and bottom is 8 pi minus. Hold on. I gotta think about this. I gotta think about this. Yeah, because again, it's a square, it's equal, so it's equal sides. Which means you have. Which means you have uh, 2a squared equals c squared equals c squared. Now c is 4, so this is 16. Which means it's actually 2 root. It's actually 2 root 2 because 2 root 2 squared becomes 8. Hold on, let me just show this. So yeah, this becomes 16 because we have 4 squared. Divide by 2 on both sides, you get a squared equals 8. Which 8 is just 4 times 2, so when you take the square root, you get a equals square root of 4, which is 2, times square root of 2, which is just root 2. So, and we are subtracting the surface area. We're subtracting that surface area from. We're subtracting that surface area from 28 pi. Because so far 28 pi is 20 pi is the surface area of the side, and 8 pi is the surface of the top and bottom, assuming it was, again, assuming it didn't have the hole. But yeah, making the hole also adds, sure, it subtracts, oh my god, how much does it subtract? Okay, we found, okay, hold on. The surface area of a square is just the side length squared, which since the side length is this, yeah, the surface area is 8. So minus minus 8. Minus 8 times 2, because there's the top and the bottom square. There's the top and the bottom square. Actually, you're right. I could have just calculated this as a diamond with, yeah, a diamond where this is 4, this is length 4, this is length 4. And then you realize that because these are congruent sides and all, and various other things, I don't know. These are all congruent sides, or whatever, equal sides. You realize this has to be 2 and 2 in order for this to become 4. Or not 2 and 2, but you realize that you can just do 4 by 4, which is 16, divided by 2, because each of these 4 triangles is base times height, which because the total length is 4, so these two are 2, or these 4 are, yeah, 2, like 2, 2, 2, 2. So yeah, so you have 4, 4, 4, 4, and then, but each one also needs to be divided by 2, so you got 2, 2, 2, 2, which is just 8. My god. So minus 8 times 2. So n might be 2. N might be 2. Seven pi? Get something wrong? Well, yeah, 20 pi minus. Huh? I might be stupid. Okay, hold on. Let me figure out the. Let's take account of the surface area added by the hole over on the inner, like the inside of this cylinder. We know the side length of the square is 2 root 2. The height is 5, so that's 10 root 2. So that's the 40 root 2. That's the 40 root 2 here, so we can get rid of that. We can ignore that. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. It's, yeah, it's 28 pi is the total now. Alright, because both of these. So we have 4m. And then we have, so it's 2 and 4. Hey, let's see if this is actually correct in any regard. How are you supposed to solve that? Like, I didn't have the formulas. I just genuinely had to count it. Like, how are you supposed to solve that? More importantly, how are you supposed to... Oh my god, it's a challenge to get through because you have to ignore the coins too. Please let it be correct. Oh my god, I can't believe it's correct. Actually, just kill me, just kill me. Yeah, I got a checkpoint. Yeah. Just kill me. Calculus. I will not be able to do this faster. I will be able to do this faster. That's just 4. Oh my god, it's so much easier. Oh fuck. 4. And